It is intended to be a well-disposed, more receptive type of cryptographic money that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image, History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital money market as expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are planned to the point that they have a hard stockpile cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin's cost has massive potential, with the sort of acclaim rising. Dogecoin's presence is huge contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no unique preparation. Agreeable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is currently simple. Thus, use of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the fame and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced money's dynamic and resolute worth wins around a quality of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most significant level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin specialized examination. Regardless of the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the digital currency market, there is a fair future. Nonetheless, nothing can be sure in the digital money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost estimate comes into the image. Dogecoin's complete market cap is exchanging around $10,795,171,570 and is presently the 8th greatest computerized money on the planet. At present, the cost of Dogecoin is around 8 cents, with an exchanging volume of $354,383,286. The ongoing stock is at $132,670,764,300 Doge, while the absolute flowing inventory is $132,670,764,300. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a huge change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted an enormous fall over the long haul. Notwithstanding, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have stamped uncommon changes as of late. The Doge cost developed over 100% in 7 days. The Doge's cost penniless the prompt obstruction with no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the urgent obstruction of 16 cents yet fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin value began to exchange underneath the opposition. Specialized pointers propose that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise speculation. Dogecoin could be one of a handful of the digital forms of money fit for being utilized as a useful cash instead of just as a speculative resource. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin cost to be around 7 cents in 2023. While the specialized examination and Dogecoin value expectation of computerized coin cost recommend that the coin will go up to 21 cents in 2023, Dogecoin forecast 2023. According to the market opinion and future cost activity, the most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 25 cents, though the normal cost may be 19 cents, and the base cost may be 12 cents in view of our cost forecast. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin forecasts 2024. According to the Doge value forecast and specialized examination, the typical cost may be 23 cents in 2024, while Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 18 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents, while the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin cost expectation, it might hit a most extreme cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A huge convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost over time. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which additionally is the greatest worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Running against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2028. Indeed, even in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. according to the Dogecoin cost expectations. The coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin Cost Forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the greatest and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents, with a respectable rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen essentially constantly 2030. My expectation is that hashtag Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter sooner rather than later here and there. This will naturally acquaint more than 200 million clients with hashtag DOG, giving them motivation to involve it and enhancing the digital money all in all. Wrap up. It can't be overlooked the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a proper inflationary cash, which makes it inseparable from true government-issued money. This special trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to store unmistakable resources and bank on greater liquidity since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary forms. With large chunk of change driving the crypto market wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see an impressive flood in its ongoing cost. The Dogecoin cost is supposed to hit new highs later on. In any case, our venture counsel is that financial backers should be cautious while putting resources into image coins like Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin hit $1? As per our cost expectation and investigating past execution, it seems to be the cost of Doge will take a piece longer to hit $1. Be that as it may, the costs will cross the $1 mark before the year's end 2035. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Indeed, Doge is a wise venture, according to our Dogecoin value expectation and ongoing idealism after Elon Musk purchased stakes in Twitter. The most recent Dogecoin news proposes that the commitment to the ascent of the Dogecoin digital money generally emerged because of Elon Musk's impact. Nonetheless, financial backers are mentioned to do their own exploration to keep away from the high gamble engaged with Dogecoin. What will Dogecoin be worth in 2030? As per our Dogecoin cost forecast, the Doge costs might arrive at a limit of 71 cents by 2030, while the base and normal costs might be 60 cents and 66 cents individually. In any case, your speculation choices ought to be founded on your objectives. Where to purchase Dogecoin? To purchase Dogecoin, you have various choices like Dogecoin wallets, PayPal, and digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase, Gemini, and some more. What will Dogecoin be worth in 2025? Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025 uncovers the greatest Doge cost might be around 39 cents, proposing a hopeful future, while the typical Dogecoin cost might be around 34 cents. What is the eventual fate of Dogecoin? The fate of Dogecoin is splendid in view of our Dogecoin cost expectation. You can put away cash, purchase Doge, and procure great benefits in the crypto market. Our Dogecoin cost forecast proposes that Dogecoin's cost might reach 51 cents.